Good morning friends. My name is Lisa Hittal, Ashwamedh Vidyalaya, Killa, Padi. Subject General Knowledge, Standard 7. Chapter number 1, Language and Literature. Section A, Language. Let us take a short look at the language spoken in China and Dravidian languages. First of all, Chinese languages. Chinese languages are those of the Han people who form the major ethnic group of China, Hong Kong and Taiwan. Chinese is spoken by over 1 billion people. Tibetan, Mongolian, Myanmar, Jolo, Miao and Thai are non-Chinese languages. ये तिबेटियन मंगोलियन म्यांमार जोलो मियाओ एंड ताई और ये कैसी लैंग्वेजेस है नॉन चाइनीज लैंग्वेजेस. There are 7 major languages groups. Mandarin, the largest group. Cantonese, Hakka, Hunnese, Min, Gan, and View. All these dialects are so different from each other that they are now considered as separate languages. They have all descended from Old and Middle Chinese. After the People Republic of China was formed, a new official language, Gyuyo, was adopted. It is the official language of mainland China, Taiwan, and one of the official language of Singapore. It has the pronunciation of the Cantonese dialect, grammar of Mandarin, and the vocabulary of modern vernacular Chinese literature, and many features of other dialects. Today it has been renamed Putonghua Common Language. It is the most widely used spoken from Chinese. Some facts about Dravidian languages. यहाँ पे कितने फैक्ट्स दिए हैं जो हैं द्रविडियन लैंग्वेज के बारे में. The Dravidian language came to India many hundred years before the Indo-Aryan. It spread over the Indian subcontinent, splitting into 3 branches. The north branches comprise of Bruhi, spoken in Baluchian, Gurra and Malto, spoken in Bengal and Orissa. Guru is also spoken in Bihar and MP. The central branch comprises of Telugu and various dialects like Gwe, Khon, Holari, Konda, Gondi, Nek, Parchi, etc. In central India, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, Tulu, Badaga, Toda, Kota and Kodagu from the southern branch. Of these, Tamil is considered the oldest and purest branch of Dravidian family, while Malayalam is the smallest and youngest member. Quiz General. Increase your word power. Where would you find this place? Choose the correct word from the description given to you from the box below. Place where bees are kept. A piry. A large cage for keeping birds. A wherry. Place where weapons are kept. Arsenal. Place where fishes are kept. Aquarium. Place where things of antique value are kept. Museum. Place where plants are nutrient. Nursery. Parking place for plants. Hangar. Place where ships are repaired. Dockyard. Place where money is printed. Mint. Place for people to skate. Rink. Place for exercise and weight training. Gymnasium. Place with gambling tables. Casino. Place where culture programs are held in a closed hall. Auditorium. Place where bullfights etc. are held. Amphitheater. House for monks. Monastery. House for nuns. Nunnery. Place where alcohol is made. Distillery. A mineral water resort. Spa. An artificial lake or tank for storing water. Reservoir. A large sleeping room with many beds. Dormitory. ये बच्चों हुआ सेक्शन ए लैंग्वेज का। अब आगे का हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। थैंक यू।